Hey guys, wanna know how to resize your image by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to its official website. Make sure you are logged in and you will be welcomed with this dashboard right here. Right on the dashboard, you can see photo editor. Click on it. Now, in order to import any image, you simply click on open and choose any one of these options. Once you've imported, this window should appear, where on the left side you should see essentials. Now, in order to resize your image, you simply click on resize button right here. Now you can just move in with your mouse and drag it right here, just like this. Or just type in value. And that's it. Once you're done, just simply click apply. You can also lock or unlock aspect ratio. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now your image has been resized. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.